welcome to my channel. So we're gonna unbox my new Hot Wheels called 1983 Porsche 928S and the Mercedes-Benz SLA HW. So let's go. The first is 1983 Porsche 928S. Let's open it. This is so hard to open, guys. Not gonna lie. So we just open the Porsche. It's a little bit heavy, but full details. There's a Porsche set on the back. It's good, guys. Yeah, this someone said this is real, so yeah. Next is the Mercedes-Benz SLA. This is easy to open. Alright. Yeah, it's really cool. Back, yeah. Yeah, this is so cool too. So please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And peace out, guys. Bye bye.